it's Kristen. I am so glad to be able to connect with you all. I can't tell you how much I miss being with you all and hearing about your days and, of course, teaching you math. I am coming to you today from my office, which is my closet office. I have kids and my dog and my husband at home, and I've decided that my office is the quietest place to record these lessons for you. So imagine me sitting on the floor of my closet teaching you math. Today I just wanted to show you a little bit about something called the Toolkit that you can access through Everyday Math Online. So as you can see, I have logged in, and this is the screen that you come to once you've logged in, just like if we were going to play Everyday Math Games online. But instead of choosing EM Games Online, I want you to choose this green button that says Toolkit. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll open to this blank page. And this is just a really cool resource because we don't have our fraction circles and fraction strips and fraction cards at home. You can find them all here. So when you get to this blank page, I just want you to play around. One thing you can do is hit this little pencil down at the bottom and select that you want to draw, and you can just write. And then to erase these circular arrows down here, you can just click and say, yes, you want to clear. And then the thing that I really want you to explore is down in this bottom left-hand corner, it says E-Tools. When you click there, you get this big list of tools that you can play with on the screen. So some of you really like the multiplication facts tables to help you with that. And you can put that on the screen and you'll see the math facts table like we've used in our classroom, which is really helpful. Let me get rid of that. You can also see that there are everyday math cards, and I want to, fact triangles are great. I want to bring your attention down to these fraction circles. I'm going to click there. And then you'll see across the bottom of the screen, there are all the different fraction circles that we have used in class. So if, for example, I wanted to look at fourths, I could bring the fraction circles that are cut into fourths. Here is my halves. And with each fraction circle, this little hammer in the bottom left corner, if I click that, click, 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 not cooperating. If I click the hammer, it breaks it apart, like it has broken it apart into its fourths or halves. You can do that, and then you can pull the fraction pieces away and compare them. So it's easy to see that 1/2, let me go down and write, 1/2 is greater than 1/2 is greater than 1/4, and I could write a number sentence. And then when you're done, you can again hit this circular arrow button down in the bottom right to clear your objects. Yes, I want to do that. And then you have a fresh start. You can go back and click other e-tools and play with them. There's a lot of good stuff here. And then the main toolbar across the bottom, of course, you have your writing utensil, this little pencil with an A. You have a calculator, which you can use to do calculations, which really we won't need, but could be fun. There's a stopwatch. There is a timer. This next thing is called a protractor. We are not going to use that, but it's there. And then this is called a compass for measuring angles. Again, we're not going to use those. And then the next icon is printer, which you don't need, and the erase button. So I'd like you to spend 15-20 minutes playing around on this today. See if you can get comfortable with it. We will be using it next week when we move forward with lessons. More information to come, but I hope you have fun. This is a cool resource to use when you don't have your math packet with you at home. We don't have our fraction circles, fraction strips, fraction cards, etc. There are also fact triangles here. So if you wanted to look and practice with your math facts with these fact triangles, that would also be a fun thing to do. All right, I hope you're doing well. I miss you all. Have your mom or dad email me with any questions, and I'll be coming to you with more information soon.